Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Good morning. Assalamu alaikum student. Today we are going to learn math countdown 7 of class 7th, chapter number 15. Chapter number 15's topic is congruence and the similarity. In this chapter we will learn about how to identify the congruent and the similar figures. First of all, we will learn about the congruent figures. What is congruency? We often come across figures in our daily life that are equal in shape and size, such as rectangular doors, squares, windows, blades of fans, hexagonal dinner plates in the kitchen, etc. So, here we see that congruent figure coincides completely with each other when one is slid or turned around and is placed on top of the other. Here are a few examples of such shapes. You can see that these two shapes are equal in shape and size, and here these two shapes are also equal in shape and size. Look at the squares given below. Here in these squares, we can see that these two squares C and D are equal in shape and size. So in short, we can say that C and D are congruent to each other. So by definition, geometrical figures of same shape and size are congruent. So all the geometrical figures which have same shape and size are called congruent figures. In two congruent figures, the sides that matches are known as the corresponding sides, and the angles that matches in the corresponding position and size are the corresponding angles. The symbol for congruency is, this is the symbol of congruency, which means is congruent to. So here we have the definition and the examples of congruent figures. Now we are going to learn about the similar shapes. So what is similarity? Look at the different size of smiley faces. You can see the different smiley faces. Each smiley has the same circular shape and all other details are the same, but all four smileys are different in size. You can see that all the four smileys are different in shape, but they look alike. So two figures are said to be similar if they have the same shape but are not of the same size. The symbol of similar is used to express similarity, and it means is similar to. So the definition of similar figures are two shapes are similar means that all the corresponding angles are equal and all the corresponding sides are in the same ratio. So here we have some examples. You can see these are the hexagons, different W, X and Y. They look alike, but they are different in size. So all the similar shape have similar angles but different in size or proportional in size. So here we can see that all the photographs of the carpets are similar to each other. So these all look alike, similar, but they are different in size. So another example, you can see the different leaves. They are same but different in size. So in short, all the similar shapes are same shape but different in size. So we are going to learn about the properties of a congruent triangles. Here we have the congruent triangles. Look at the following triangles. These two triangles are congruent. So the first property to the congruent triangles, if all the three sides of both the triangles are equal, we can say that this property is congruent to side, side and side. And if in two congruent triangles, if two sides and one angle is corresponding to equal to each other, we can say that it is side angle side property. And if in two triangles, congruent triangles, one side and two included angles are equal to each other, we can say that angle side angle. And if two angles and one side of two congruent triangles are equal to each other, we can say that it is angle angle and side property. And in fourth property, two right angle triangles, congruent right angle triangles are equal to each other if their right angles equal to each other and their hypotenuse equal to each other and their perpendicular side equal to each other. So we can say that is right angle, hypotenuse and one side. So it is called RHS, right angle, hypotenuse and side.